Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and do a video, a DIY video. My daughter turned one yesterday and her party is this weekend, so I wanted to go ahead and show y'all her high chair banner that I'm going to make. What you're going to be needing for this video is a hot glue gun, which I already turned on, and some extra pieces or extra glue sticks. I actually purchased this from Walmart for like $1 or something. It's balloon tassels. I'm not sure if you can see that. This banner, it was $2.99, and I think everything was like 50% off or something like that. And it has the letters O-N-E for one. And then also I picked up these flowers. I thought they were super cute. My daughter's theme this year, I normally have like a popular theme, but this year I'm kind of going with the more of like a Bohemian Woodland theme, like the little characters, like these little animals. Literally cost me under $5. So what you're gonna do is take the banner out, the one, and just lay it out. I actually use this for her, like a photo prop. But anyway, so you're gonna get this. I don't know why that's backwards. Why is it showing backwards? I guess because it's flipped. Anyway, so you're gonna get this, and you're gonna kind of, give it a little space in between. And then you're gonna pull out the tassels. I'm not gonna use, I don't think I'm going to use this color, the teal color. I'm just going to use the white ones. And what you're going to do is just cut that. And then there's actually like a little hole in there already from where the ribbon was. And I think I'm just going to use a couple. I'm not going to use a ton just because I don't want it to get in the way of, her stuff, her eating, and just don't want it to be too dramatic, I guess you could say. So you're just going to cut the ribbons out and then just make sure that the hole is open so you can connect it. Yeah, we'll just use one more. Okay. Oh, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna have to cut the piece where it's connected. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but like there's like a piece of tape in here. You can actually make your own, which I would, but I already have this, so I'm like, let's just use it because I have it. So you're going to separate these and just cut this piece of tape right in the middle. Tape. And I just have this big industrial tape. So I'm going to just cut a piece, and then I'm just going to, have little slices. So now it's just placing them. So I think I want to do one over here on this end. So you're just going to connect it like that, like put it through there. Then you're going to get your tape and just tape it. Tape it back. So that easy. And then I'll do this end over here. Tape it. Okay. And two on the ends. Because I don't want too much going on. And then this one will go right here. Okay. believe she's turning 1. She turned 1 actually yesterday. Okay. So once that is done, it's going to look like this. And I think I'm going to move these a little bit closer in together just because her high chair isn't that big. Okay, so like so. And then what you're going to do is take the flowers. And I love these flowers because they're paper and they look so cute. And I figured this would match like the theme that I'm going with, which is like the Bohemian Woodland theme. And they actually have little detailing in there, like the little beads. I like it. Okay, so you just pull them off. So there's 4. And they're all different sizes, which I love. I don't like the same thing. It's my problem. I don't like it easy. Okay, so now it's just figuring out where you want to place them. So I don't know if I want them on the letters, maybe. I might want them on the letters. That is cute. Look at that. I like it. Okay. I didn't know how I was going to do it, but that looks perfect for me. So now I'm going to grab my glue gun and I'm just going to, let me see if I want to change these out. I'm going to do this. So you just put a dab of glue and then put it where you want it. Hold it down for a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. And go to the next one. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Three, 2, and 1. Okay. So it is done. I love it. I love the way it turned out. I'm going to go ahead and set it up on her high chair and I will take a picture and show y'all what it looks like. This is probably like day 4 of my Vlogmas. If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos that I do upload. And also, if you have any requests, like video requests, if there's something that you want to see done or see me do, just let me know and I would love to get that up for you. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.